Today we are going to make Choco Walnut Brownie without an egg. The ingredients are grated chocolate, maida, sugar powder and milk, choco syrup for drizzling, baking powder, butter, walnuts and vanilla essence. The first step is to heat the grated chocolate, to melt it. Here I am using the double boiler method in order to heat. The water is heated in a vessel and then the chocolate is melted indirectly. Here the chocolate is melted. Now the melted butter also will be mixed into this chocolate. We will also add sugar. And now after adding sugar, this whole mixture will be nicely mixed and beaten. Just briskly move your hand in order to mix all the ingredients nicely to get a nice paste. Now the maida or all-purpose flour, mix baking powder into it and then sieve the flour so that the baking powder properly mixes and air is given space after we sieve it. Some air spaces are left when the flour is sieved. So the whole flour will be sieved. Now mix in the chocolate and butter and sugar mixture into this flour. Give it a stir. Mix it a little bit. And now add milk. We will add milk little by little so that the consistency of the batter is taken care of. Don't put all the milk together. Again, we'll put some more milk into it. Mix this batter. Now, we will put in some vanilla essence into this. Be careful, if too much of essence is there, it's not liked. Put the walnuts. Give it a stir. Here you can see that the consistency is still quite thick. So we add more milk into it. Now just give it a stir. Nicely stir it and your batter is ready. I will put this batter in a slightly greased baking tray. Here the oven is ready, preheated to 175 to 180 degree, and this brownie will take around 20 to 25 minutes. You'll check it after 20 minutes. Put a knife into it. If it comes out clean, it means that your brownie is ready. Here you can see the knife has come out clean. So your brownie is ready to be served. Let's take out a piece of brownie in order to serve. Cut it gently. Allow it to cool a little bit, because if it is not cooled, some part may remain. Now, take your brownie piece into the serving plate. Drizzle some chocolate sauce over it. And your yummy choco brownie with walnuts is ready to eat. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.